Hi, Bestie. A day in the life of a 18 years old girl living in Egypt as a chef, private jet, of course. So, today I'm going to I don't know the name of this soup, but I see people call it basila. It's carrot and pear soup. Okay, join me as I The first thing I do is to make my oil hot, add my onions, and stir it small and add my garlic. The next one is my thyme. And the next one is my paprika. I love paprika so much. And the next one is my cinnamon. I don't know why I love cinnamon. Like cooking with cinnamon is very, 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 very good for me. I love the smell. It smells so good. Of course, I add my tomato paste to it too. Then I stir it very well. As you can see, it tastes very, very good. Then I add my blended. My boss didn't like anything like Maggi too much, so I use very, very small Maggi. Of course, there is Maggi inside the meat before, like a little one. So I added my salt. Then the next one is adding my peas and carrots. You see, oh, you see, this is Egyptian soup. Then I add my meat. I remember back then I'm learning this thing. I learned this from a very wicked woman like that. But alhamdulillah, at least I can use it to work now. No problem. Then the next thing is to make rice. So before you start questioning me why you didn't wash your rice before cooking, calm down and washed. I washed my rice. This is how I wash my rice. Like I parboil it first. My rice is ready. Client was like, go and eat. I serve myself first. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.